My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I just pulled in the garage. I hope the package on the porch is what I'm thinking, but I'm gonna take you guys with me and we'll see if my shocks finally showed up. Haha. Yes! So excited! Guys, so I got them right here. I promised the wife that today was family night. I wouldn't work on the Jeep today. So as bad as I want to put them on tonight, I'm gonna do an open the box, get you guys excited, and then hopefully tomorrow when I get off of my day job, we'll install them on the Jeep and I'll do the install and show you guys how they look, but I'm so excited. Gosh, so sick. Be sweet. Oh, that's cool. That Accutune sticker on them. Heck yeah. Let's get them thrown on. And it's gonna be the longest day ever. And got them on. Getting ready to put her all together. Sorry it's dark, the lighting probably sucks. Been working on it later tonight. But they look awesome. I hope they perform just as awesome. They are a lot more stiff than the other ones, so hopefully that's good. But I'll show you one side without the tire, and then we'll finish buttoning it all up, get in some good light, show you the difference. Obviously, shocks are more for ride than looks, but I do love the Fox shocks. The bodies look so awesome. Everything silver and black ties in the whole theme of the Jeep, so it should be sweet. There we have them, all buttoned up. Looks so much better than the old crappy shock. It's gonna look sweet next to the teal springs when we get her all put together. But man, they look sweet. Super happy. That's pretty cool. Custom tuned Accutune off-road. Hopefully it's all worth it. If I like them, I will get some matching ones for the rear. Oh, as promised, got her in the daylight. I haven't really done a really good wash on the Jeep, but still gonna see the shocks and how they look. I think it looks so much better than the old beat up ones. It makes that whole like powder coated spring, everything up front flashier. Looks so much better. Can't wait to get the rears. Boom. Oh yeah. Excited to adjust the pinion angles from doing that belly up and see how these things ride. But man, gonna be so much better. We upgraded to this from this. Honestly, why did it take me so long? These things are clapped. Man, it's coming together, isn't it? Tummy tuck installed. New shocks on the front. Just waiting to do, hopefully next. Let me know what you guys think, but my thoughts are front anti-rock sway bar, rear Fox Reservoir shocks, and see how this thing does. But I think that'll make a huge difference. And then eventually I want to do some double adjustable control arms so I can adjust pinion angle while it's still installed and get every joint on the Jeep to be Johnny joint. That should help with vibration, some flex, and also ride quality. But thanks so much. You guys made it this far. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget to hit me up if you guys want any apparel, hoodies, hats. This hat right here is my favorite right now. I wear it basically every day and it is awesome. Got that black camo with the rubber patch. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Big updates coming soon. And yeah, just loving life.